Hello students, this is Pooja Patel from Oracle Coaching Classes of Commerce. Welcome you all to the second lecture of Bookkeeping and Accountancy for Standard 12th of Maharashtra Board with second part of the topic, Chapter 1, Introduction to Partnership and Preparation of Partnership Final Account with the question, what is partnership deed? Unwritten agreement between all the partners is called partnership deed. It contains the terms and conditions which are agreed upon by all the partners. Partnership deed include the name of partnership, name of partner, interest on capital ratio, profit sharing ratio. For example, if firm earn a profit 1 lakh, अगर फर्म को 1 लाख का प्रॉफिट हुआ है और बिजनेस में 2 पार्टनर्स है तो वो 2 पार्टनर्स कैसे प्रॉफिट शेयर करेंगे वो पार्टनरशिप डीड के अंदर मेंशन किया होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रोविजन ऑफ इंडियन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ पार्टनरशिप डीड, Indian Partnership Act 1932 says that distribution of profit among all the partners are equally. Interest on drawing are 6%, interest on partners loan are 6%, and interest on capital is not allowed in case of absence of partnership deed. This provision help you while you are solving the practical questions. Question 5 is a method of capital account. There are 2 methods of capital account, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Fixed capital method is a method in which amount of capital not change every year. There is no addition and subtraction in a capital account. In fixed capital method, there only two accounts are made, capital account and current account. Fluctuating capital method is a method in which amount of capital change every year. In this method, only one account is prepared, that is capital account. Let us move toward the next part of the lecture, that is various steps in accounting. First step is a transaction. When you went to the market, you purchase something, you sell something, or you paid the expenditure, transaction are occur. The transaction entry are passed in a journal, that is second step, preparation of journal and subsidiary book. The journal entry is posted in the ledger, that is third step, preparation of ledger. By closing the ledger account, by closing the ledger account, from the closing balance of ledger, we prepare the trial balance. That is step 4, preparation of trial balance. From the trial balance, we prepare the final account with 2 account and 1 statement, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. After preparing this, we can find out either our firm is earning the profit or bearing the loss. With this question, I am ending the today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture with a practical question of partnership final account. If you have any comment regarding this topic, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.